Kuki in Manipur, KIM has extended its total shutdown across Kuki Zoo areas by another 48 hours, intensifying pressure on government to secure safe release of remaining hostages, even as thousands staged massive peaceful protest at Kangpokpi district headquarters on Sunday. The agitation, marked by large-scale participation of men, women and youth, was launched against continued captivity of 14 Kuki Zoo civilians in Senapati and in response to recent killing of 3 community church leaders. Protesters marched from Newt Kailhang to SP office, raising slogans and demanding immediate, unconditional release of all hostages along with fulfillment of their charter of demands. Addressing the gathering at Brigadier M. Thomas Ground, KIM Information Secretary Jang Haolun Haukib warned that failure to act decisively could destabilize the already fragile situation, even as he urged restraint and dialogue to prevent escalation into wider conflict. While acknowledging recent partial releases facilitated by authorities, KIM maintained that continued detention of several individuals remains unacceptable, vowing to continue its democratic agitation and shutdown until all demands are met.
The shutdown and the subsequent protest is not organized to spread hatred. We are here to declare that our lives matter, that our people deserve dignity, that justice cannot remain selective. We're not begging for survival, but instead we are asserting our right to live with dignity and integrity. And it is the constitutional and humanitarian duty of the government to ensure that the victims of these barbaric killings of the 3 of our church leaders see the light of justice and that the hostages are released safely and unconditionally.